So good morning, dear students. This is teacher Shubhangi and we are going to learn lesson number 3, integers. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, now integers, lesson number 3, integers. Okay, now what do you mean by integers? A very new concept in 6th standard, as we have learned how to do addition and subtraction of numbers in standard 5th. Okay, but we have not heard this topic, that is integers. So very new topic for you, but if you will give attention and concentration, you will come to know that what is mean by integers and how to do operation with this integers. Okay, now first of all, let's get revised of natural numbers and whole numbers. This concept we have seen in standard 5, but still just remind, okay, remember some things. We'll just revise a little bit concept of natural number and whole number. So what is mean by natural number then? Okay, now all counting numbers are called as natural numbers. All counting numbers, the numbers which we count, the numbers which we count are known as a natural number. For example, the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till the end. Okay, so all counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Counting numbers are known as natural numbers. So the number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are called as natural numbers. Okay, all counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Now here, these are innumerable. Innumerable means what? Which we cannot count. Okay, innumerable means what? Which we cannot count. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we cannot count these numbers. So these are known as innumerable. Innumerable means what? The numbers which we cannot count. The numbers which we cannot count. Okay. Now here, these are positive numbers and natural numbers. For example, positive numbers, the numbers which start with 1. The numbers which starts with 1. Okay, are called as natural number. So these all are positive number, excluding 0. 0 is not a natural number. The set of all natural numbers, together with 0 is called as whole number. Okay, so number starts with 0. Number starts with 0 are known as whole number, and the number starts with 1 are called as natural numbers. Understood the concept whole number and natural number? So natural number starts with 1. Okay, the numbers which starts with 1, 2, 3, and so on, these are known as natural numbers. Numbers which starts with 0 are known as whole number. If you see the diagram carefully, you can observe that this 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 1, 2, here I have a little space, so I have counted. I have given the number till 10. But innumerable means uncountable number. Numbers which starts with 1 and they are innumerable. Okay, these are natural numbers. And the numbers which starts with 0, the numbers which starts with 0 are known as whole numbers. Okay, understood? So smallest natural number is what? 1. Because the number starts with 1. Once a number start हो रहा है till the end, तो हमारा smallest natural number क्या है? 1. And the numbers which starts with 0, 0 whole numbers. So smallest whole number is what? 0. Smallest natural number is 1 and smallest whole number is what? 0. Clear everyone? So natural number and whole number. So natural number starts with 1, whole number starts with 0, smallest natural number is 1 and smallest whole number is 0. Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear till this. Yes? Now let's move to another slide. Now, what is mean by integers? Okay. Now we have seen about natural number. We have seen about whole numbers. Now, what is mean by integers? What is mean by integer? So group of positive number, negative number, 0 together form group of positive numbers. See here, positive numbers are there, 0 is there, and negative numbers are there. This together forms an integer. This together forms an integer. Just a minute. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, now here group of positive numbers, negative numbers, 0 together form group of integers. Okay, this include both positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, so group of positive numbers, negative numbers, 0 together form a group of integers. Okay, everyone clear till this? Yes. Now this includes both positive and negative numbers. So integer means what? The group of numbers including positive numbers, the group of number including this positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. ठीक है, जिनके पास positive numbers भी है, 0 भी है and negative numbers भी है, these are known as integers. These are known as what? Integers. Now let's move to another slide. Okay, now here one question for you, dear children. The numbers on the left side of 0, now only I told you now, the numbers on the left hand side of 0 are called as dash integers. Numbers on the left hand side, for example, see if the number line is like this, if 0 is there, now numbers on the, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So numbers on the left side of 0 are called dash integers. Option A positive, option B negative. Now let me know in chat box which option is correct, whether A or B. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Everyone. Yes. Elridge, Mayank, Shaurya, your answer is wrong, beta. Aditi, Durva, Mayank. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Okay. So the many of the students have given right answer. Shreya, Mayank, then Pranjal, Harshal, okay, Purvesh, Abhijit, Arnav, then Harshal, Sarthak, Krutika, yes, everyone, Shreya, Pranjal, okay. So everyone is given the right answer. Very good, very nice. Okay. So the numbers on the left side of 0 are called as negative integers. For example, see if this is your number line, and here it is 0. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on numbers are there. Here -1, -2, -3 are numbers. So negative numbers always lie to the left hand side of 0 and positive numbers lie to the right hand side of 0. Yeah. So numbers on the left hand side, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So numbers on the left hand side, okay, of 0 are called as negative integers, and numbers on the right hand side are called as positive integers. So understood about negative integers and positive integers? So numbers lie always to the left hand side, known as negative integers. Numbers lie to the positive side, are known as, the right hand side are known as positive integers. Yes. Now one of the question, -5 is smaller than -4 or greater than -4. Now see children, if we move, if this is number line and if it is 0, now 1, sorry, 1 is always greater than 0. 2 is always greater than 1. 3 is always greater than 2. Yes. And if we see that -1, -2, -3. So here जैसे हम राइट हैंड साइड में प्रोसीड होते हैं, ठीक है, तो नंबर्स बिकम्स ग्रेटर. जैसे 0 का राइट हैंड साइड में कौन है? 1, तो 1 इज बिगर देन 0. 1 के राइट हैंड साइड में कौन है? 2, तो 2 इज बिगर देन 1. Similarly, if we see this, so -1, -2 के राइट हैंड साइड में कौन है? -1. So -1 is always bigger than -2. नेगेटिव नंबर्स में स्मॉलर नंबर बिगर नंबर से ज्यादा बड़े होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, -1 is always bigger than -2. -2 is always bigger than -3. If we compare -11 and -2, so -2 is bigger than -11. Okay, so in negative numbers, smaller numbers are bigger than this numbers. Okay, because -2 lie to the right hand side of -11. Yes, but in here in this case, 0, this 0, sorry, this 0 is bigger than -1. ठीक है, 0 is bigger than this -1. Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear till this. Yes, give me answer in chat box whether you understood this or not. Please let me know in chat box whether you understood it not. Yes, very good. Okay, everyone is saying yes. That means you are understanding whatever I am trying to say. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's do another slide. Classify the following numbers on a positive numbers and negative numbers. ठीक है, positive numbers and negative numbers में हमको classification करना है. Okay, now it is very easy. Where the minus sign is there are positive number, where the negative sign is there that are negative numbers, where no sign is there, for example, if 5 is only, so if there is no sign before the number, we consider it as positive. अगर नंबर के आगे कोई भी साइन नहीं है तो we consider it as positive. We consider it as positive. Okay, now here just a minute. Positive numbers and negative numbers are there. Okay, now positive numbers and negative numbers. Now -5 comes under positive number or negative numbers. So -5 is negative number. +4 is positive number. -2 is negative number. 7 is positive number. +26 positive number. -49 negative number. Okay, now I will ask Elrich. Just a minute. I'll ask Elrich to unmute. And
Yes.
Elrich, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me this -37 comes under which side? Negative numbers or positive numbers?
Negative numbers.
Negative numbers. Very good. Okay, and 19 will comes in positive or
Positive.
negative?
Positive. teacher.
Positive. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, okay. Now, 19 comes in positive numbers. Okay, 19 comes in. Just a minute. Okay. So this 19 comes in positive number. Now what about this -25? So -25 will comes in negative number. What comes? What this positive 8? Positive 8 will comes in positive number. Okay. Just a minute. Now this 5 don't have any sign, but it will comes in positive number. Now -4 again will comes in negative side. minus 12 will comes in negative side, and 27 is having no sign, but we consider it as positive, so it will comes in positive numbers. So easy, right? Very easy. Now next is, given below are the temperatures in some cities, write them using the proper sign. ठीक है? Now if below is there, अगर below ये word हम देखते हैं तो below means down. Below means what? Down. So it will comes in negative side. It will comes in negative. When above word is there, when above word is there, so it will comes in positive sign. Okay, anytime in any question, if below is there, so see here, the question is temperature 7 degrees Celsius, 7 degrees Celsius, Shimla, here the places are given and temperatures are given. So Shimla is below 7 degrees Celsius. Leh is below 12 degrees Celsius. Delhi is above 22 degrees Celsius. So if Shimla means below 7 degrees Celsius, so it means it is -7. It means it is -7. If Leh is below 12 degrees Celsius, below word is there, that's why it will come -12. If 22 degrees Celsius above degree, so here it will come +22. Okay? So Shimla will comes in -7, Leh will comes in -12, Delhi will comes in +22. Okay? So where the word below will be there, so it means what? It is -7. If below word is there, -12. If above word is there, +22. Okay? Now next is, now here Nagpur. Okay, now Nagpur's temperature is 31 degrees Celsius above degree. Okay, above degree, so it is +31. So if below word is there, negative sign will come. If above word will be there, positive sign will come. Yes. Now next is okay. Now write the numbers. Question is, write the numbers in the following example using the proper sign. Now submarine is at the depth of 512 meter below sea level. Now here submarine is at the depth of below 512 meters, below 512. ठीक है? Below 512 means what? बिलो वर्ड है यहाँ पे, तो हमको आंसर पूरे सेंटेंस में लिखना है, राइट? अ सबमरीन हम जैसे का वैसे लिखेंगे, अ सबमरीन इज एट अ डेप्थ ऑफ 512, बिलो है तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे -512 बिलो सी लेवल. क्वेश्चन का सेंटेंस वैसा का वैसा रहेगा, सिर्फ जो नंबर है उसका साइन चेंज होगा. इफ बिलो वर्ड इज देयर, तो सबमरीन इज एट अ डेप्थ ऑफ -512 बिलो सी लेवल. Now height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in Himalayas is 8848 meter. Height है, highest peak है. Height है means what? +8848 meters. ठीक है? So the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in Himalaya is +8848 meters. ठीक है? Now next is, a kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. अभी kite high, kite जो है वो fly करती है above the ground. Yes, kite कभी below the ground fly करती है क्या? No, it is flying at a distance 120 meters from the ground, above the ground. So if it is above the ground, that means here it will come +120. So what would be the answer? A kite is flying at a distance of +120 meters from the ground. Okay. Now next is fourth one. The tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. Now you tell me the answer in chat box. The tunnel is at the depth of 2 meters under the ground. Answer me in chat box. What would be the answer of this question? A tunnel is at the depth of 2 meters, -2 meters. So what would be the answer? Very good. Everyone has given the right answer. Priyal, it will not be +2 beta, it will be -2. Aditi, it will be -2. Depth है. Depth means नीचे, under the ground. ठीक है? So under the ground tunnel है, तो that would be -2. ठीक है? So the tunnel is at a depth of -2 meter from the ground. Yes? Okay. Now next slide is okay. Now next slide is here are some solved examples. Come back to practice set 5. Okay. Now practice set 5, we need to solve the examples. In practice set 4, we have solved integers. What are the positive integers? What are the negative integers? The integers having positive sign are positive integers. The integers having negative sign are known as negative integers. And what are integers? Positive numbers, 0, and negative numbers together contribute integers. Yes, clear everyone? Now, in practice set 5, we are going to learn how to solve integers. How to solve integers. Okay? Now, everyone, please pay attention. Okay? Now, here one of the question is plus 5 plus 3. Okay? For to solve this question, let me share my whiteboard with you. Okay. Now here the question is just a minute. How to solve integers. Now if plus 5 is there and plus 3 is there. Now 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. Okay, if plus 5 is there, plus 3 is there. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Now if minus 5 is there, okay, and plus 3 is there. Okay, minus 5 is there and plus 3 is there. Now see, everyone understand the rules first. If positive and positive numbers are there, so your answer must be in positive. Okay. If one positive number is there and one negative number is there, plus minus minus, okay, but हम क्या करते हैं, साइन जो है वो बिगर नंबर का देते हैं. ठीक है, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम साइन किसका देते हैं, बड़े नंबर का, बिगर नंबर का. ठीक है. नाउ हियर अगेन माइनस प्लस इज इक्वल टू माइनस, हम सब्ट्रैक्शन ही करते हैं, but we give the sign of bigger number only. Again minus and minus is plus, okay, but we give the sign of bigger number only. So here in every time if positive is there, then only positive sign will come. But if positive and negative sign will be there, अगर plus और minus sign है, तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा, हम subtraction ही करेंगे, but answer will, we will give the sign of bigger number to the answer. For example, now if plus 5 is there and plus 3 is there, now 5 plus 3 is what, 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 is what, 8. Plus or plus है, plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, but now if minus 5 is there and plus 3 is there, now one sign is negative, one side is sign is positive. So minus plus is minus. So 5 minus 3 is 2. ठीक है, माइनस प्लस क्या होता है, माइनस, माइनस प्लस माइनस, माइनस प्लस क्या होता है, माइनस, but we give the sign of bigger number. But what is the which number is bigger over here, 5. So that what sign we will give here, minus. ठीक है, तो 5 minus 3 is 2. प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है, but we always give the sign of bigger number. So which number is bigger over here, 5 or 3? 5. और 5 के आगे कौन सा साइन है, माइनस. So we'll give here minus sign. Now if minus 3 is there, plus 5 is there, again minus plus is what, minus. Okay, but we give the sign of bigger number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. ठीक है, but the sign of bigger number is what, 5 के आगे बिगर साइन कौन सा है? प्लस, तो यहाँ पे हम प्लस साइन ही देंगे, ठीक है। अगेन इफ -5 -3, अगेन माइनस माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस, तो 5 + 3 is 8, but sign of bigger number means minus sign will come, ठीक है। Understood till this? Okay, as we solve many sums, so our concepts will get clear. Okay.